What is the most common conversion tracking mistake in Google Ads? You keep hearing about conversion tracking. Let me tell you exactly what 8 out of 10 small business accounts are getting it wrong. The mistake is treating form submissions and phone calls as conversions while ignoring whether those leads actually become a customer or not. Across the small business accounts I audit, the gap between Google's reported conversions and the real closed won deals averages 70 to 90%. Sometimes it's worse than that. Smart bidding optimizes against whatever you tell it as a conversion. If you tell it form submissions are conversions, it learns to find more form submitters. Most of them never close. The dashboard CPA looks healthy. The real CPA per customer is often 3 to 10 times higher than the dashboard reports. So here's a quick win for today. Pull your last 90 days of Google Ads conversions and match them to your CRM. Calculate the percentage that became real customers. If it's under 30%, you have this problem. How do offline conversion imports actually fix this? Want to fix the conversion tracking mistake properly? Here is exactly how offline conversion imports work. Offline conversion import lets you import real conversion events from your CRM back into Google Ads. The events are typically qualified lead, sales qualified opportunity, and close or won customers. Each event attributes back to the original Google Ads click using the GC click ID and the Google click ID captured at form submission or phone call time. Then you change your smart bidding strategy to optimize against the new offline conversion action instead of the noisy form submission count. Smart bidding retrains over the next 4 to 6 weeks against the clean signal. It learns what the real customer looks like for your business and bids accordingly. The result is a closed feedback loop between real revenue and Google's bid optimization. Here's a quick win for today. Decide which CRM event you want as your primary offline conversion import signal. For most businesses, that's a qualified lead. Why is smart bidding making my Google Ads worse? So, your smart bidding has been running for months and the leads keep getting worse. Let me tell you exactly why. Smart bidding is only as good as the conversion signal you feed it. If the signal is noisy with spam, tire kickers, and unqualified leads, smart bidding learns to deliver more of the same. The algorithm can't tell a real customer from a junk lead. It only sees the conversion action you defined. It optimizes for that. The longer smart bidding runs against a noisy signal, the more it drifts towards the lowest quality sources that fire the most conversions. 3 months in your account is being actively trained on the wrong people. The fix isn't to turn off smart bidding. The fix is to give it the right signals. Offline conversion imports your real customer events from your CRM and lets smart bidding optimize against what actually matters. So here's a quick win for this week. If you haven't installed offline conversion imports yet, your smart bidding is optimizing against the noise. Schedule the implementation as quickly as possible. How long does offline conversion import setup take? Wondering how long it actually takes to set up offline conversion import properly? Let me give you the realistic timeline. The technical setup takes 1 to 2 days for any decent developer. GCLID, capture on every form, call tracking software for phone leads, CRM to Google Ads integration via native, Zapier, or direct API. The CRM side work takes a bit longer. Defining your real conversion stages, getting marketing and sales to agree on what qualifies as a lead, and then building the data feed. Most small business accounts have the full offline conversion import architecture live within 1 to 2 weeks of starting. Then smart bidding needs 4 to 6 weeks of data to retrain against the new signal. The first 30 days often look worse on the dashboard as the algorithm pulls away from volume metrics. so you need to hold the course. By month 3, the new CPA per real customer is typically 30 to 60% lower than the pre-offline conversion import baseline. So here's a quick win for today. Block 2 hours in your calendar this week to scope the OCI integration with your developer or CRM admin. Don't let it slip another quarter. Do I need a CRM to set up offline conversion imports? So you want to install offline conversion import, but you don't have a fancy CRM? Can you still do it? Let me give you the honest answer. Effectively, yes. You need something that tracks lead stages from form submission through to closed deals, but it doesn't have to be a fancy CRM. The major CRMs all work, like HubSpot, Salesforce, Pipedrive, Go High Level have built-in Google Ads OCI integrations that configure in about an hour. For smaller operations, a structured spreadsheet or a Google Sheet works if you stay disciplined. The lead stage progression has to be captured consistently and exported to Google Ads monthly via Zapier or a manual upload. What you absolutely cannot do is run OCI without any lead stage tracking. If you can't tell which leads become qualified or closed, you can't import the signal. So here's a quick win for today. If you don't have any CRM, set up the free tier of HubSpot CRM today. The basic OCI integration is included. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.